Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on auto sensitivity on your account on Discord on voice settings. Easy and quick. First click on your profile like this, and now here you will find voice. Click on it. Now as you see, you will find here you will find auto sensitivity. Click on it like this and it will be turned on. And that's how to turn on auto sensitivity on your voice settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.